Okay, today I wanted to talk about the Vivo Sun seedling heat mat. This is the second one I've purchased, and it's working out really well. I planted some seeds about 3 days ago, and I wanted to show you the results. It will increase your germination, or the quickness of germination, and it just the seeds just like the heat underneath. They like the warm ground, and we're using open containers here. Actually, they're a 22-inch by 11-inch containers here, where we've got seeds spread throughout evenly throughout the soil here. And I want to show you a close-up. First, I'll tell you where the mat is. It starts about here, if you can see that, and it stretches to about right here. It's really the size of one of these containers, but I've only got the one here, so I'm sharing the heat for both of these containers, and you're going to be really impressed with where the germination's happening. You can almost trace the outline of the heat mat, and this is day 3, and I've already got seed growth here. And you can almost make like a perfect line to where that heat mat is underneath, and that's where everything's growing. So it's amazing. The seedlings are just enjoying that warm heat, and we've got some growing right underneath where that, or above where that heat mat is. So I've got the link down below if you guys are interested in getting one of these. I've got to get one more, because the seedlings now are really enjoying that warm soil. So that's the results.